This is a modern shrimp processing factory where thousands of shrimp are prepared every single day.
The process begins as fresh shrimp arrive in refrigerated trucks to maintain maximum freshness. Each shrimp is carefully inspected to ensure only the highest quality moves forward. The shrimp are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities.
Automated machines handle the cleaning process with speed and precision.
High-pressure water ensures every shrimp is perfectly cleaned.
Any damaged or low-quality shrimp are removed by trained workers.
Next, the shrimp heads are removed using specialized machines. This step requires both accuracy and consistency. Once peeled, the shrimp move forward for further inspection.
Human inspection ensures consistency and food safety.
At this stage, the vein is carefully removed. Cold water washing helps preserve freshness. Temperature control is critical at every step. The shrimp are sorted by size automatically.
Each size category serves a different market. Exact weight is measured for uniform packaging.
Vacuum sealing locks in freshness. Air removal helps extend shelf life.
The shrimp now enter blast freezing.
Rapid freezing preserves taste and texture.
In minutes, the shrimp are fully frozen.
The frozen shrimp are packed for shipment. Each carton is clearly labeled.
A final quality check is performed.
Cold storage keeps the shrimp safe before shipping. Efficient logistics ensure smooth handling. The shrimp are now ready for global delivery. This entire process runs continuously every day.
Strict hygiene rules are followed at all times.
Worker safety is a top priority.
Technology monitors every step. Precision ensures consistent quality. Cleanliness is constantly maintained.
Supervisors monitor the workflow closely. Teamwork keeps production efficient.
Every pack meets export standards.
Containers are sealed for safe transport.
The journey to international markets begins. The journey to international markets begins. From sea to shipment, precision matters. Behind every product is human effort. Each day ends with thorough cleaning. Production never truly stops. A name trusted worldwide. Ready to reach global consumers. Export logistics complete the process.
The shrimp begin their final journey.
Every step ensures safety and quality. Freshness preserved from start to finish.
Quality approved.
Efficiency defines modern food processing.
Clean design supports safe food handling. A process built on trust. Technology meets expertise.
Prepared for kitchens around the world.
Shrimp, from factory to table. This is how shrimp are processed in a modern factory.